the more they can articulate their voices and their speech in the struggle against injustice. Do you see? It's impossible to think of that without of language without thinking of ideology and the power. I defend the duty of the teachers to teach the cultivated pattern, and I defend the right of the kids or of the adults to learn the dominant pattern. But it is necessary in being a democratic, tolerant teacher. It is necessary to explicitly, to make clear to the kids or to the adults that their way of speaking is as beautiful as our way of speaking. Secondly, that they have the right to speak like this. Third, nevertheless, they need to learn the so-called dominant syntax for different reasons. That is, the more the oppressed, the poor people, get the command on the dominant syntax, the more they can articulate their voices and their speech in the struggle against injustice.